Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is Rashid Minhas. Today's lecture 7, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, so today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn to express opinions and we'll cover page number 34 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have taught you to express opinion in conversation. I hope you remember. And in your unit 2, I have taught you to take turns to discuss facts and opinions. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch these video lectures again. And today we are going to learn further to use appropriate expressions in conversation to express opinions. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Al-Nahl verse 125, call people to the path of your Lord with wisdom and kindly exhortation. Dispute with them in the most courteous manner. Yes, my dear students, whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching. Yes, Allah is guiding, Allah is teaching to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. And what he's saying call people to the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with wisdom and kind words, means kind call, kind appeal. Call them nicely and use hikmah. And dispute with them, means if there is any difference, discuss with them, dispute with them. How? In courteous, in nice, in polite manner. So this is a message for our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam, and for all of us. It is telling us there can be difference among us, among our opinions. So we should talk, we should consider each other with courteous manners. Are you getting it? Okay. So let's start. First, you tell me, what do you know about fact and opinion? And secondly, how do you express your opinion? Pause the video and answer these questions. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember that fact. What is fact? Fact is a statement that is real or true, or a thing that can be shown to be real or true. We can prove it. How? It is daytime. It's a fact. And we can prove it. How? I told you, open the window, open the door, go outside, find the sun is shining there. It's daytime. And the sun is stationary. There are signs, evidences to prove it. So such type of statements are facts. And what is an opinion? Opinions are statements that reflect the views or ideas that people have about subjects and topics. Simply, opinion is a statement that reflects a person's idea or point of view. Okay? What I think, what I believe, what is my opinion about that thing, that is opinion. For example, my son says, all the ice creams are tasty. He says, all the ice creams are tasty. It's his point of view. It's his opinion. And opinion may vary from person to person. The other will say, no, all the ice creams are not tasty. Maybe I only like one flavor or two or three. And maybe after a few days, my son will start saying, no, I don't like all the ice creams anymore. This is how opinion varies. Opinion can be changed within the person and among the person, but fact does not change. So these are two basic differences between fact and opinion. And how do we express our opinions? How do you express? You just add such type of words. I think means it's my thinking. I think it's cold today. Maybe the other person don't feel that cool. Okay. I believe, I feel, in my opinion, I would say this is how we express our opinion. And the one thing which I ever tell you, it should be in a nice way. You cannot impose your opinion on others. But I'm feeling cold, why you are not. It's everyone's choice. Everyone's feeling is different. That's why we call it opinion. All right. So this is how we express our opinion. Are you clear with the concept what opinion is and how do we express it? Are you sure? Okay, I'm going to check it through an activity. What you will do? It's individual activity. Come in the front of class one by one and express your opinion about Unit 4. We have read this unit about Rashid Minhas, so all of you come in front of class and express your opinion. What do you think? How did you feel? Etc. So pause the video, enjoy this activity. Yes, my students, did you enjoy it? Very good. And I hope all of you participated. Good job. Now it's a time for another activity. All of you open your book on page number 34 under the title of Listening and Speaking. What is the model? Express your opinion about any one word given by the teacher. Okay, so how we are going to do? Teacher will say a word and every student will answer in a statement. For example, if teacher says nature, I think nature is a blessing. School, school is a place for learning. Parents, I believe parents support us in difficult times, right? So this is a model. All of you, teacher will keep giving you words and you will come and express your opinion about that word. Pause the video, enjoy the activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you have expressed yourself nicely. Good. So it's time for your homework. Ask opinions of your family members about different things. Okay, you can make a list of things and take opinion of your family members about that thing. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you are supposed to do? Here are the sentences and you will complete these sentences from this word bank and also complete this conversation phrases below. Okay. What we have learned today? We learned about opinion. We learned to express our opinions and we used appropriate expressions to express our opinions. So in this way, we achieved our SLO, that is to use appropriate expressions in conversation to express opinions. Are we done with it? Yes, and we've thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.